Diamond jewelry hollow beads are widely used in gold-silver jewelry designs. There are various fashionable hollow beads which make jewelry like necklaces, bangles and rings more attractive. Let's go to check how these hollow jewelry beads are produced. The whole production line of hollow beads is combined with a rolling mill, sheet slitting machine, pipe welding machine, pipe drawing machine, hollow ball making machine, bead splitting machine, ball grinding machine, and hollow ball diamond cutting machine. The first step. Use the rolling mill to roll the metal plate to the required thickness. The rolling mill takes use of a high-quality mirror roller for pressing. When it is close to the required thickness, it is necessary to reduce the speed of the roller for precise control to improve accuracy. The second step. Use a sheet splitting machine to cut metal sheet with the required width. The splitting machine could cut to get precise width for further smooth hollow pipe forming. The third step. Use a pipe welding machine to form and weld precious metal sheet into a hollow pipe. The pipe diameter is customized from 4 mm to 14 mm. The metal sheet is rolled into a pipe, and then the pipe gap is welded by argon welding machine automatically. Finally, operator check if the welding part is well done for further drawing process. The fourth step. Use a pipe drawing machine to reduce the pipe diameter or pipe thickness to get suitable parameter. Set the metal pipe in the drawing bench and reduce the size step by step by different drawing molds. The fifth step. Use the hollow ball making machine to make hollow ball beads. This equipment can make hollow beads of various shapes, such as round balls, oval beads and olive beads, etc. We also could customize beads dies to realize connected beads or cut separately. The max making speed could reach 120 pieces per minute. It highly improved the beads production capacity. The sixth step. Use a hollow ball splitting machine to cut the connected beads automatically. Any shapes of beads or pipe could be cut evenly in this machine. This equipment could achieve a smooth cutting surface of the beads. The smooth cutting surface makes sure the finished product without any glitch. The seventh step. Use a ball grinding machine to grind the round balls to get perfect sphere shape for gold ball diamond cutting purpose. The ball grinding mold could set various sizes of round hollow balls range 1.5 mm to 14 mm diameter. The grinding time takes about 30 to 60 seconds per batch. The hollow balls are perfectly spherical after grinding with shiny surface. The eighth step. Use a beads diamond cutting machine to facet the beads to achieve diamond shiny effect. Based on latest technology, SuperbMelt automatic diamond cutting machine could precisely tool each beads automatically using a 360-degree rotation. Over 10,000 edited programs could meet customers' unique fashionable designs requirements. Finally, we get the various attractive fashionable jewelry beads by previous SuperbMelt machines. SuperbMelt also provide many popular designs to customers for free. After a long period of practice, the SuperbMelt entire jewelry beads production line has become more and more mature and stable. It has the advantages of low labor cost, high efficiency and large production capacity. The whole hollow ball production machines can be applied to produce all kinds of metals such as gold, silver, gold, copper, brass, etc. If you have a demand for variety of styles and mass production of jewelry beads, SuperbMelt hollow beads production line is your trusted choice.